So first method, click to start, type task manager. You can see first this one, open this. After you can see this is high use 100% and like. After that click on startup app and select which is not required when system is start. Okay, like cap2 portal, Microsoft team is not required, so disable. Select this and disable. After that you can disable. Mobile link device not required, select this and disable. Okay, like which is all required, this not, you just disable it. Okay, and then close it. Then next, then click to start, go to setting, click on system, then find out storage and enable storage sense automatically detect temporary. And if this is off, this is off, just on it and then close. Then click to start and type disk cleanup and right click to run as administrator. And enter the temp file. Okay, and then click to OK and delete. Then click to start again and type run and then type sysdm.cpl and then click to OK. After that click on advanced, then click on setting, then select this best performance and then apply and then OK and then OK. And then guys, next method. So guys, first method, click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is 4 command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete, then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this 4 command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.